Welcome back, and we are back in Hong Kong. I am so excited to be back here. I know it hasn't even been that long since we left in April, but I'm here for a few different things, and I wanted to take you along because we're going to be staying at Island Shangri-La in Regent Hong Kong at some really beautiful suites. We just checked in at the Shangri-La suite, and this is the most insane suite I have ever stayed in. We're gonna be trying out some of the restaurants, the spas. I'll share everything for the next few days, but I'm already blown away by this. Let me give you a tour. Welcome to the Shangri-La suite at Island Shangri-La Hong Kong. As soon as you enter, the first thing you'll notice is how detailed and elevated everything is. The entryway features softly curved walls with woven wallpaper. There are beautifully layered colors and textures throughout the space that blend traditional and modern design elements. First, we enter the spacious living room that overlooks Victoria Harbour with an 8-meter-long landscape mural of historic Kowloon. On the right is a glamorous cocktail bar with a jade green marble counter with a wine fridge and everything you need to host a cocktail party. This leads to the dining room, which has a whimsical and vibrant garden theme with 2 French hand-blown crystal chandeliers, hand-painted murals, and a solid marble table that seats up to 10 guests. There's also a beautiful bathroom here, and as we make our way back through the living room here, we have a fully stocked kitchen, and my favorite part of this entire suite, this is the most epic hotel bathtub I've ever seen. It's a giant bathtub with sweeping views of Hong Kong. This seriously looks unreal, especially during golden hour. You can tell the concierge what time you want your bath every day, and they prepare everything for you. The entire bathroom is made of dark marble. There are 2 vanities, twin rainforest showers with a heated bench and mirror inside that leads to the lavish master bedroom with those same views and painted with a beautiful landscape mural. We have an absolute dream closet with this huge walk-in wardrobe for 2 with a vanity and a full-length mirror. And for guests, you have another bathroom and bedroom. There is so much attention to detail here, and this is truly luxury at its finest. The whole suite is 2,400 square feet and starts from around $15,000 USD a night.